Hey everyone, it's Colleen and Nate from Navigate with Colleen and Nate. We are so excited to share an incredible experience with you. We just had the most magical day touring the breathtaking Enchanted Princess with our friends at Cruise Planners in Fort Lauderdale.
Get ready to be amazed because we didn't just tour the ship, we dove headfirst into the enchantment. We indulged in mouth-watering cuisine in the dining room, explored every nook and cranny of this stunning vessel.
So come along with us as we take you on a virtual tour of this floating paradise. And stay tuned until the end to a special surprise as we reveal the different stateroom categories. You won't want to miss it.
Let's begin our tour on Deck 5. Deck 5 is the central hub of activity on Enchanted Princess. As guests step onto this deck, they are welcomed into the Grand Piazza, a stunning atrium filled with natural light and a lively atmosphere. The Piazza is the perfect place to relax, people watch, and enjoy live entertainment. Surrounding the Piazza are a variety of shops and services.
For guests in need of assistance or information, the guest services desk is conveniently located on this deck.
For a taste of Ireland, O'Malley's Irish Pub provides a lively atmosphere with traditional Irish fare and beverages.
For those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, the Lotus Spa offers a tranquil escape with a range of treatments and therapies.
With its diverse offerings, Deck 5 is the perfect place to start or end the day on Enchanted Princess.
Deck 6 on the Enchanted Princess is a lively and bustling area offering a variety of experiences for passengers. Guests can indulge in culinary delights at the Amalfi and Capri dining rooms, both offering classic and elegant dining experiences.
Entertainment and relaxation options abound on Deck 6. Bruner's Bar offers a stylish and intimate atmosphere with live music and handcrafted cocktails, while Princess Casino and Bar provides excitement with various casino games and lively ambiance.
Shopping enthusiasts can explore the shops of Princess, featuring a diverse selection of jewelry, clothing, souvenirs, and more. For loyal Princess Cruise guests, the Captain's Circle loyalty area provides information and exclusive benefits. Finally, Princess Theater is located on Deck 6, hosting a variety of shows and performances for guests to enjoy.
Deck 7 on the Enchanted Princess is a haven for food lovers and entertainment seekers. At the heart of the deck is the bustling promenade, lined with a variety of dining options. Casual pizza lovers can enjoy a slice of heaven at Gigi's Pizzeria by Alfredo.
For those seeking entertainment, Princess Live is the place to be, with a vibrant atmosphere and a variety of live performances. The Princess Live Cafe offers a more intimate setting to enjoy coffee, drinks, and light bites while soaking up the entertainment.
For steak and seafood enthusiasts, the Crown Grill offers premium dining experience, complemented by a sophisticated atmosphere of the Crown Grill Bar.
The Vista Lounge, a spacious and elegant venue, provides a perfect spot to unwind with breathtaking ocean views and live music.
Deck 16, the Lido Deck, is the heart of outdoor leisure on Enchanted Princess. This expansive deck offers a variety of pools, bars, and dining options for guests to enjoy. The centerpiece of the deck is the main pool area, complete with multiple swimming pools, hot tubs, and loungers for relaxation. For a more intimate experience, the Wakeview Pool offers an adults-only retreat.
To satisfy hunger cravings, the World Fresh Marketplace provides a buffet-style dining experience with a wide array of culinary options. For a quick and casual bite, Salty Dog Grill offers delicious burgers and other grilled favorites. To quench thirst and enjoy the ambiance, Seaview Bar and the Mix Bar offer refreshing beverages.
Whether you're seeking relaxation, entertainment, or delicious food, Deck 16 has something to offer every guest.
Deck 17 is a dynamic space dedicated to both relaxation and active pursuits. The retreat, pool, and bar offers an adults-only oasis with serene atmosphere and refreshing drinks.
For those seeking tranquility, the sanctuary provides a peaceful retreat to unwind and recharge.
For fitness enthusiasts, the fitness center provides state-of-the-art equipment and a variety of workout classes. All right, everyone, let's dive right in and check out some cabins. We're starting with a standard inside cabin, number R418.
As you can see, the inside cabins are well appointed, with a comfortable bed, plenty of storage, and a modern bathroom. They might be compact, but they're surprisingly functional.
These cabins are perfect for those who love to explore the ship and spend most of their time enjoying the public spaces. Now let's step outside to some fresh air. This is a balcony cabin, number R442. It's a popular choice because you get the best of both worlds, the comfort of an inside cabin and the added luxury of a private balcony.
Imagine waking up to stunning ocean views every morning. The balcony is the perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee or unwind with a glass of wine in the evening.
Let's treat ourselves to a little more luxury. This is a deluxe balcony cabin, number R512. It's a slightly larger than a standard balcony cabin and often offers additional amenities.
These cabins usually include upgraded features like elevated bathroom amenities, towels, and robes.
And now for the grand finale, the Penthouse Suite, cabin R610. This is the epitome of luxury on the Enchanted Princess.
Penthouse suites offer unparalleled comfort and style. You'll find everything you need and more, including a separate living area, king-size bed, and a stunning bathroom. The balcony is absolutely incredible.
Overall, the cabins on the Enchanted Princess are designed with comfort and style in mind. Whether you prefer a cozy inside cabin or a luxurious suite, there's an option to suit every traveler's needs. Wow, that was just a taste of the amazing Enchanted Princess.
We hope you enjoyed this sneak peek inside the cabins and all the incredible features this ship has to offer.
If you're dreaming of a magical cruise vacation, the Enchanted Princess could be the perfect fit for you.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment down below, letting us know which stateroom category caught your eye.
And when you're ready to start planning your own enchanted adventure, head over to cruiseplanners.southflorida.com. We are here to help you navigate every step of the way.
And from all of us at Navigate with Colleen and Nate, thanks for joining us. And until next time, remember to
navigate your world.